Brought to you by JEGS.
Looking to hook up a tach to your diesel engine with Autometer? It's no spark plugs, no problem. Autometer offers two diesel-specific tachs that come with a small inductive pickup designed to strap to the outside of your alternator. Once in place, it reads the rotation of the alternator as it's creating energy and translates that into a tach signal that's read by these diesel-specific tachs. So we want to put the pickup near the center line of the alternator or right on the laminations. We strap that down, make it nice and secure, then we're going to run the wire up to the back of the tach. Conventional power and ground, and then the twin lamp cord style wire goes to the pickup. Now we may see it be a little erratic at first. It's no problem there. Sometimes we've got to tweak where the pickup is on the alternator. When we find that sweet spot, it's going to fall right in line. Now, because your alternator spins at a different rate than the crank, we're going to need to calibrate the tach. We can open up the back of the case here. There's just one bolt, and you'll see there's a small hole where we insert a screwdriver. Now, inside there's a set screw. We're going to turn that and adjust it. Now, you can use a strobe or a scan tool to get that. We started with a scan tool here, and you can see we get that matched up. And there's our sweet spot right there. Now, we also tried two different diesel strobes. We have the Monarch PT99. This was a little more expensive. And then we have the Unity, which was our budget model. Both required a piece of reflective tape to be installed onto the crank pulley. You can see that right there. Now, the Unity was a little bit harder to get the signal. Didn't have quite as wide of a dispersion of the laser pattern. With a little bit of tweaking, we did get that dialed in, and we saw this unit to be very, very accurate. The Monarch, on the other hand, super easy to use. Big, wide beam pattern. We could move around while we were using it. And you can see right there how easy it is to grab that. Both of the units, again, compared with our scan tool, very, very accurate. We had no complaints about accuracy. We just preferred the ease of the use of the Monarch. Now, between the two of them, you're going to expect to pay probably around $80 or so for the Unity. The Monarch hit the wall a little harder. This one ran us about $250 online. Once everything's hooked up, you can see the Autometer diesel tach as quick, as accurate, and responsive as your conventional Autometer tachs. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.